We're delighted to be able to offer our industry-renowned English skills-focused professional certificate in marketing course online. This 4-week professional certificate in marketing is taught by experts who have very relevant experience in the field of marketing. It's also delivered in a lecture style, which might be quite different to what a lot of students are used to if they're coming to study English courses. But this is great for a number of reasons. It can really accelerate their reading skills, their listening skills, as well as their note-taking skills. Over the course of 4 weeks, students work together to produce a final presentation. This is delivered towards the end of the course, and it really is a fantastic way to get students to deliver a professional level presentation all about marketing. Students work in teams with like-minded individuals, and many of the students in class often have industry level experience themselves, so the input that they can give in class is also very, very valuable. Students will learn up-to-date marketing concepts through online project work, online lectures, and there is also the chance to have a face-to-face session with an industry speaker. There are so many benefits to students. They'll develop communication skills in authentic environments. They'll learn from very experienced teachers. Students will also get the chance to network and make some invaluable international contacts. They'll get to practice teamwork and presentation skills. Honestly, the online marketing course offers students everything that the face-to-face course would offer. If you're looking for something that's maybe gonna really push your English skills, but outside of that traditional English language learning environment, then I would certainly say this is the course for you. It's great if you're looking to go into the world of marketing. It's great if you're looking to get a job in marketing. It's just great if you're looking to get a little bit of business-oriented experience to just build your confidence, your English language skills, working in teams, all those sorts of things. I think the skills that you learn on this course are extremely invaluable, and I would say to anybody that's thinking about doing the course to just give it a go.